Good afternoon, everyone, and happy Independence Day to you all. Welcome to the info session event. My name is Abdul Malik Ango, and I am the DSC lead for Abubakar Tafawa Balewa University, and I am going to be guiding you through this journey today. So sit tight, buckle up, and enjoy the ride. Please note this event won't be long. Just a quick introduction to the club. If you have any questions, please drop it in the comment box. Awesome. So we will be going through all these agenda as follows: what DSC is, goal of DSC, what we plan to achieve, and the learning track the club will be focusing on. Alright, so first, before we dive into DSC, let's look at what developer communities are. Developer communities are a group of developers gathered with a common goal, usually to learn, connect, grow their technical know-how. And Google has numerous developer communities, but for the sake of time, we will be talking about 4, since we will mostly definitely come across either one. First is the Google Developer Expert Program. The Google Developer Expert Program is a global network of highly experienced technology experts, influencers, and thought leaders who actively support developers, companies, and tech communities by speaking at events, publishing content. One thing about this community is that you get to be invited to join. Google has to acknowledge your level of expertise on a particular technical field to be invited to the club. So next is the Google Developer Group, which is short for GDG. The Google Developer Group are groups of developers who are interested in Google technologies, who meet on a monthly basis to discuss the latest Google technologies, and to host one of the largest developer events in the world, called DevFest. So they host one of the largest developer events in the world, housing over 1 million developers worldwide. So next is the Women Tech Makers. Google's Women Tech Makers program, which provides visibility, community, and resource for women in technology. So now let's go back to our own field. Next is our very own DSC, which stands for Developer Student Club. Okay. It is a technical community that combines all the university students and all the other students who learn, share ideas, and come up with viable projects that are likely to solve day-to-day universal problems. The DSC is open to all students from diverse communities. Faculties. So the DS is open to all students from diverse faculties and open to those who aren't students of the university, so that interested individuals wouldn't feel left out by thinking the club is just for technical students. No, it is not. It is for all students. When I mean all students, I meant students interested in technology. Okay, the goal of DSC is to connect students on campus to fellow students interested in technology. Through such connection, you could meet your future partners and prospects you never can tell. Some of the most successful companies in the world started from colleges like ours, between 2 or more partners through a community such as this. Another goal is to learn. Learning is the primary goal of DSC. There is no point of joining the club if you are not ready to learn from the connection you made through the club. The goal is for interested individual to learn about a wide range of technology where you can gain new skills through hands-on workshop and a peer-to-peer in-person and virtual training. And next is another goal of the DSC is to grow by applying your new learnings and connect to build great products, advance your skills, career, and network. Also to give back to your community by helping others as you have learned. So now we'll be going through the learning tracks we have available for DSC programs, which will be in different groups on WhatsApp in order for us to cater for individuals' needs by the end of this virtual event. We will be sending out an email to everyone that RSVP and join the dev community page. Please, if you haven't joined the dev community page yet, please do before we send out the emails. So let's just get down to it. First is the mobile application development group. The mobile application development group is set to skill you up from 0 to 1, starting from the very basics of Android development to Kotlin programming language to Flutter for cross-platform application. Next is cloud. During the course of this program, you will learn what cloud is, what cloud platforms are, and how to leverage on cloud platforms using Quick Labs. Next is design. If you are a member interested in becoming a graphics designer, a UI UX developer, we also have room for you too. Next is machine learning. The machine learning track is for individuals who are interested in artificial intelligence through machine learning application like TensorFlow. We have you covered. More details in this when you join the group. Next is the web development. The web development program is set to teach and show you the technical know-how on how to build a website, a web application, and so on. So next, what we plan to achieve as a club. First is to facilitate successful workshop on every track for interested individuals. Provide practical experience for interested individuals. Produce a network of developers, designers, programmers, and other within the campus community. And to complete more than one project, as I said earlier. Every interested member should see the program as a life-changing experience. So next is the goal of DSC-ATBU. It's very simple. It's to help the community, the campus community, Abubakar Tafawa Balewa campus community, find their place in the technological ecosystem by leveraging what Developer Student Club has to offer. So please, any questions? If you have a question, please drop it in the comment section. Okay, since there's no question yet, let's move to. I'll show you how to join the developer, the dev community page now, so that for every interested individuals could join using this link. Please, this link I posted above, the bit.ly/DSC. The DSC is in caps, ATBU. So I'll go to the page now so that I'll see. So this is the Developer Student Club ATBU page. If it's a new, if you because I've already joined the club, so that's why it's showing me you've been a member of this group since August 26, 2020. So if you haven't joined, you will see a button here that says join the club. So under the page is a brief about the page. That developer community is a student-based community group for students interested in Google technology, so on and so on. And when you scroll down, you see the upcoming events that we have, which is the one currently going on now. When you scroll down, you see the organizers. Yeah, these are the core team members. Our technical and non-technical core team members, and also the media team are also here. So let me log out and create a new profile. So this is just to show you how to join the club. So when you enter the link I showed you earlier, don't worry if you didn't get the link yet. I'll still share everything. Once I'm done, I will send you via email so that you'll see them. So and you click on login. Sorry. Okay, let me log out again so that you see. You scroll down. This point you'll see a sign up button. You click on the sign up button. Sorry, please a second. Okay, so I said the link is bit.ly/DSC-ATBU. So when you enter the place, you see, as I said earlier, it will show you a link. Now I'm not logging, so that's why we're saying the join us link. When you click on the join us, it asks you to log in, sign in to join the community. So let me sign in. So when you sign in, okay, once you sign it, to show you that you've joined the club. So that's it. So by the end of this event, I will be sending out a form through the WhatsApp channel and the Facebook group, the Instagram and the our Instagram and Twitter. So it contains a form that you will fill to for us to know your interest, be it Android development, cloud, machine learning, web development. So when you fill that form, we will now group you into groups of interested individuals so that you will have people in the same group as people interested in the same thing as you in the same group, so that it won't be too rowdy. So here, follow us on Instagram, ATBU developer. On Twitter is ATB with caps A, with the developer with the D in capital letter. And on Facebook, of course, if you just search DSC-ATBU, I'm sure it will pop up. Alright, I promise I won't take much of your time. Thank you for joining in. I hope to see you guys on our next event. Goodbye.